In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many Windows users face. The computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. This error usually occurs when you're trying to install or upgrade Windows, and it can be really frustrating, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix it. You may have seen this error pop up during a Windows installation or upgrade. It's typically caused by problems with system files like your PC's configuration or sometimes even corrupted registry keys. But no worries, we've got a few solutions that should get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's uninstall recent updates or drivers that may be causing the issue. Go to Settings and on Windows Update, go to Update History and tap on Uninstall Updates. Here you can uninstall updates and remove any recent updates that may have been installed before the issue began. This can help resolve any problems caused by faulty updates. Now, if this didn't work, we can try repairing the boot configuration file. Go to the advanced startup options, select troubleshoot, and find command prompt and run it. Now, another step you can try is checking your hard drive for errors. Corrupt system files can often cause this issue. Open command prompt. Here, type in sfc space slash scan now. Now, this command will repair and scan any errors. Now, if nothing else works, you can reset your PC, but keep in mind this will remove all your apps, so it's a last resort. To do this, go to System, Troubleshoot, go to System and simply find Reset this PC. And that's it. These steps should help you resolve the unexpected restart error and get your PC back up and running.